Hi there, fellow swimmers! Today I'm here to share some tips on how to keep algae from growing in your pool. This type of algae is good, not the one in your pool. We should really do a video on how to hold chopsticks. First, make sure the water is circulating properly and pushing the debris to the bottom drain. Check to see if the water return jet faces downward at a 45-degree angle away from the skimmer. No need to get out your square and compass to measure. Super easy to do. Then, very important, never leave the solar cover on during the day, because the pool will lack oxygen, which could accelerate algae growth.
Think about it! It's like wearing your winter coat when it's scorching hot outside. Chances are that at the end of the day, you'll feel dizzy and will smell like cyanobacteria. Let your pool breathe.
Hotter days may require more chlorine. When you're out in the sun, do you slather on sunscreen? Well, the same goes for your pool. It needs protection too. No, your pool doesn't need sunscreen, come on. Another important thing to avoid algae blooms is to check the pH value, alkalinity, and calcium levels. Not only will you keep your swimmers safe and comfortable, you'll have something great to talk about at your next barbecue. Yesterday I went to Sima to balance the pH value, alkalinity, and calcium level of my pool. My water is clean, clean, clean. Finally, here's a simple trick. The more the water in your pool moves, the less chances there is of algae. So put your kids to work. They're pros at this. Otherwise, you could always try to pedal boat in your pool, but it's a bit more complicated. I never did that. There you go! With these tips, your pool won't look like a pond at the end of the summer. Just remember, seaweed in sushi is good, algae in your pool is bad. And if you're already dealing with algae bloom, please check out our blog at simacanada.ca for more details. Even with those large ones, it doesn't work. It's Sima, all summer long.